Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on, gang? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday to you. What's going on? Good to see everybody here. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. Guess what? Pretty crazy. Pretty wild. Can I see some? I would love to see some otters just running through the chat over here on my left, my right. Yeah, right here. Because we hit 7,000 subscribers last night. Let's go! Wow. Yeah. Incredibly grateful. That's about it. It's you guys. It's you early risers saying good morning. It's all you button smashing, liking, crazy, utterly degenerate, amazing people. It's you guys. I just press buy and sell. And some days I don't do it too well. And some days I do. I'm saying do already. I do it really well. Let's go. Happy birthday, K Diggity. Look at the otters in the chat, man. You guys are crazy. I think I got shrinkage last night. I better expand. All right, it's warming up in here in Canada. No, it's actually like minus 13 today. A little bit toppy right now. Let's go, everybody. Thank you for being here. I mean, here comes the confession. I had one of my worst trading days ever yesterday. I overtraded. I got chopped up. I haven't been seeing the markets right. Okay? And that's part of trading. I stopped at a 3K loss. Let's put it that way. Okay? A bunch of losses in a row, over trading, revenge trading, FOMO trading, not seeing the market. And you know what? It's important for me to talk about it because if I didn't, I don't think I would feel like I'm doing my community a service of like being transparent, right? Like I think that's the most important thing you can do in this space is be honest, be human. And yeah, it's great we got 7K subs, but at the end of the day, we're traders. Like I was talking to my wife yesterday, and It's just like you're a trader first. You need to be disciplined. You need to practice good risk management. I'm normally spot on with it, right? Normally, 3 loss, 3 strikes. I'm out. I'm like 7 strikes. I was out yesterday. Okay, nasty market, chopping people up. Gave away all my gains this week. Live to trade another day. Okay, live to trade another day. At the end of the day, it's being honest with you guys. I mean, it was obvious trades this week. Okay, it started really with this SFP in here. Okay, we had golden pocket, SFP, right? Golden pocket, SFP. Like, am I such a namby-pamby that I don't know how to press sell? Right? Missed this short here, mitigation of the high. So that's where it started. And don't get me wrong, I'm not making excuses, but lack of sleep, overworking, newborn child. So a lot of other things compounding this feeling. Okay? Then yesterday, same thing. Beautiful uptrend, broken, retest, reversal, rejection. Okay? Should have shorted. I got long off of that yesterday. You guys were all yelling at me in the chat. Go short, 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 Alex, short. I went long. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. I got chopped up here. I added to my trade, got stopped out. Okay? Bad. I just spiraled a bit, you know, and I'm sure you've all spiraled. Put a 1 in the chat if you've spiraled. Let me know if you've done it before. You know, just angry, I guess you would say. Not angry, but you know, disappointed to the way I traded, right? And the best thing you can do is get back on the horse, but you gotta reset. You gotta either go to God, you gotta go to some meditation, you gotta go to your wife. This is why it's so important. You gotta go and touch some grass, right? I've done all 3. And we're back, baby. We're back. So amazing positive news. We're at 7,000 subscribers. We get 300 viewers on the live. We're having a great time. The momentum is going. But you gotta be okay. Check up from the neck up, right? So did some reflection yesterday, some more journaling, some more documenting, trying to just be better, right? And I think that's all we can do as traders. This is not an easy market to trade. I don't care what you say. It's not. But it's part of the trading journey. And I just wanted to share that with you guys this morning as we go into unemployment data, because we're not going to be trading until we get the news, which is at 8:30. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of data. We're going to call it data because I'm a data. Coming out this morning, non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. Okay, and then we also have the Fugazi job numbers being revised. Okay, so we got all that this morning. But we have an amazing, transparent, kind, honest, hardworking community. And I want to thank you guys for not only supporting me and believing in this channel, but hanging out here and being real ones. So thank you so much for being here. God bless every single one of you. And let's say good morning to everybody. Chantel, Al Jr., Crypto, Steve, what's going on? Good morning. Good to see you. Otter, gang. Crypto Pancakes, Tyler Dreger. Oh, and if you did want to see the $3,000 loss, I should show it just to kind of eat my words, right? Thursday, the 6th. Here it is, my friends. Thursday the 6th, $3,324. Down. There it is. Back on the horse. Okay? And that's okay. What's going on, Quazim, OG Blockchain, Avi, Yoshi, good morning to you. Anonymous, Darshan, Baba, Tony Soprano, Massey, what's going on? Shredder, Crypto Billy in the chat, my man. Guys, go check out Billy Goat Tales every Tuesday night. They also have a YouTube. They will be live Sunday, I believe. Sunday, they always go live. Jesse Galluck, Donato Cabrera, Tim Tortoloni, what's going on? Airdropper, what's going on? J Violet TV, Glory Wolf, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Mo2, morning all. Let's see all those otters in the chat. Crypto Focus, Easy C, Tony Soprano, Crypto Billy. My God, look at all these. Buck, J Violet, Shaka, Zulu, what's going on? One Harmony, Chris Klein, J Violet, BC Port Corp. Happy birthday, Kate Diggity. Let's go. Thank you, Jesse, for that. $5.99 super chat. Here to get this, yo gang. What's going on? Gains for life, my man Chris Klein. Crypto pondering Kurosama. Good morning, Vietnam. Let's go, J Violet. Everybody, Seymour Liddy. You guys are incredible. Turn this into 100. Keep it up. Don't revenge nothing. Keep that zen. God bless you, BC Port Corp. Thank you so much. If you guys don't know before me, you can go and check out BC Port Corp on the Piper Academy. This guy getting up early, so you can go and check him out. I'm still building my charts and getting my day prepared. So, great job getting up early, staying committed to that early show. I know it's not easy, and lots of respect to you, my brother. Boinked, what's going on? Good to see you, Chris Klein. Good to see you. That's when you should read us some lines of your book your wife gave you. You know what? I didn't read it yesterday. You know, that's weird you said that. Number 6. Let's see what 6 said. A noble one produces an abundance of merit by having a compassionate mind towards all living beings. That's pretty cool. I mean, like the old biker saying is like, how do you treat the elderly, children and dogs? Makes you kind of see what's important, right? Number 7 is you can measure the depth of a person's awakening by how they serve others. Am I giving you the service you deserve? Am I bringing you guys the alpha? I try my best, man. I always share everything with you guys, and you guys know that. Sending you positive energy, Alex. Thank you, guys. Yeah, see, look, a whole bunch of people have been... It's expensive. Yeah. First thing I did trading. I feel you, bro. Hey, you're only human. Gotta go to demo trading. That's the one. Sometimes, yeah. Hard reset beam for me. Just shoveled for an hour. Yeah. You guys got a dumping of snow out east. I think Ottawa Valley area. You guys got massive snow. We didn't get that much snow over here in Toronto area. Chris Klein. Good to see a cowboy hat. I'm not going to whip out the cowboy hat today. Getting a rejection off this big trend line right now. Okay, coming down. We had an SFP down in here. That was a possible trade setup. Obviously didn't take it this morning, but a nice rejection up here. SFP down, revisiting the highs. Okay. We'll see how today's goes, but I wouldn't be trading until we get this news, okay? So what's really going on here? We're climbing up, but look at this. Like, this is nasty yesterday. I got like long. My last long was here. And you know what? Our Discord got long down here as well and took this trade up. And I was in my own world yesterday. I wasn't participating in the Discord trade, but you know, Kyle gave the setup and Brewberry gave the setup. So you had Kyle on the Discord here giving the setup. Then you had Brewberry giving I think he gave the setup before Kyle, which is cool because Brewberry says he's always slow to the party. But I don't think so, man. Brewberry was pretty good yesterday. Pretty good, I would say. Absolutely crushing that move down there. Light bright charts, okay? Be careful. You got to wear your sunglasses with Brewberry's charts, but amazing trade as well. Okay, so people were winning yesterday, just not me, okay? And that's fine. That's fine. Back on the horse. Back under the horse, says Dave Digital. Glad to be here. Happy Friday. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Smashing those like buttons. 7,000 subscribers. Absolutely incredible. You know, I was going to take a day off yesterday. It's funny enough, but I didn't. So things happen for a reason. Shit day, not a shit life. Chin up. Let's go, buddy. That's amazing. Thank you so much. Good morning, Steve Hickey. Just call me Al. Good morning to you, Captain Pancakes. Otter gang. What happened, bro? Stop loss was skipped? No, just overtrading, revenge trading, not seeing it right. Just FOMO, kind of trying to make back the money I lost and then losing again and just spiraling. Really, it's what's in your coffee. We got brown sugar and a dollop of cream. I like that word, dollop. Ernie, good morning. Good to see you. One Harmony. Lucky to hear that you also have these days. Yeah, it's trying to. I haven't had one of those days in probably 4 or 5 months. Okay, so I'm typically very disciplined, but I got wrecked again. But back on the horse after I sold 4 hours, looking to where I went wrong and new strategies to prevent it from happening again. Gang. Grandmaster Ape, that's good. The one thing I would watch is learning new strategies. I would say refining your strategy is good, but adding too much at one time to something that has worked, okay, make sure it works, can be detrimental to your trading, okay? Keep it simple, stupid, right? But glad you're back. I'm here too, man. I'm here too. We're all in it together. Tim Young, appreciate you in the Discord community. Thank you, man. Bass Crouton, good morning. Gang. I barely broke even yesterday. See, yet chopping people up. Look at this, right? Like very nasty. Like no move. Like this is, if you're on the right side of the trade, okay. But if you're not, you're like, this is not no little, and like big dumps, like boom, like stopped out, right? And I almost feel like I forgot how good I am at shorting the market. So maybe we just take a short just to be different today. Who knows? We'll see what we get. How about we just trade the setup, Alexo Crypto, and shut up and show up as normal. Thank you everybody for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. YouTube, no emojis. How am I not a member? Did I cancel my membership? Been a member of Alexo's open memberships, an obstacle we will overcome. Billy, you're a member. You've always been a member. You're a superstar, Billy. We love you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Bass Crouton, Kurosama, username, Boston Sucks. Username, we love you, man. And your Detroit Red Wings. Leafs win again last night, buddy. Leafs won again. Oh, it's good to see the Leafs back on track, baby. Jay Violet, good morning. French toaster, the bravest toaster of all the toasters around. Daniel Gazzi, what time is NFP today? So we got 13 minutes till news comes out. Now, this is a bit of a bomb of a news, okay? Congratulations on 7K Otters. Wifey, thank you for being here. Good to see you. Jonathan Schaefer, good morning to you. Shaka Zulu, the algos are getting better. Let's go. Jacob Dorton, good morning, gang. Good to see you guys here. Alex, may I suggest you look outside the charts? Are you sleeping well? How is your stress level? Are you eating properly and getting your steps in? So, one thing I do notice about the outside life is that life has flipped upside down. Obviously, having a new kid and being a father, and my joy now comes from spending time with my son, which is it's a totally different dynamic where it was me and my wife, and we would go for walks whenever we wanted, and it was easy to leave the house and yada yada yada, right? So no, it's an adjustment point in my life as well. There is also a little bit of like, I've identified like a bit of fear of losing. Like I don't want to lose trades because I want to make my son proud, if that makes any sense. I don't want to be a loser, but you got to be a good loser in trading to be successful, right? So I think there's a little bit of a bunch of things. Can't put my finger exactly on it, but I'm searching, and I'm always documenting, always reflecting. and always trying to give myself, an honest self-appraisal. That's the hardest thing, is to try to be honest with yourself and then make adjustments, right? It's trying to change, but also not changing the good stuff as well, right? Not being a nambe-pambe, as I would say. My video seems a bit laggy today. Is that true? But no, it's I think I do a good job of taking a look at myself and trying to be better. But showing up is number one, right? I show up no matter what, because I got to show up for myself and you guys, and I take pride in that, some integrity. And then, have you tried maple syrup in your coffee? I have. Yes, I have. I mean, I sleep in a vat of maple syrup every night, so it's just in my veins, my friend. Let's go. So this looks like it's breaking down here. We got a nice bull div. Okay, we got a nice bull div here on what time frame was it? Or hourly or 2 hour? So 2 hour. We got a nice bull div in here. So we got lower low, higher low here. This is nice. And then we have a little one in here, I believe. Let me see. No, we just have an anchor trigger wave in here. Okay, so we got the bull div in here, anchor trigger wave in here, trying to push out. We have a big trend line coming through in here, trying to get up and out, right? So we'll see. We also have a lot of key areas down below. Okay, so for me, we came down, we swept some liquidity in these lows in here and in this order block here. We haven't fully come into our golden pocket, which is at 95.2. Okay, so for me, if we fail to break out today, might be a little bit of some ugly price action. I would like to see a little push up into this area in here around 100K. However, down may be more likely today. We'll let the news kind of give us some ideas. NASDAQ, choppy, indecisive. Okay, S&P. The S&P is doing surprisingly well. Like, it doesn't seem to be getting faded too much, right? Lots of liquidity below. Okay, let's not be twisted. Lots of liquidity below, lots of liquidity below. Dump, dump. What are we going to get here? Dump? We'll see, right? We'll see. So the Dixie, still not rolling over, okay? Holding this 107 area quite tightly. So no big signs of strength or weakness. It's very indecisive price action, in my opinion. Hence why a lot of people are getting chopped up, including myself yesterday. Okay, so trying to see the market as best as we can. Sometimes it's harder than normal. Okay, it looks like we're rolling over here after a rejection off that trend line here. Mitigation of the high up in here as well. So coming back down, now we can pull a fib to see kind of where we're at. So if we're going fib, here we're going to go swing low to swing high from our low recently. So this is more of a local fib within this area. And here I would go from impulse and up. Okay, just going to mark out. We have a nice order block down here, but just going to mark out our golden pocket area just to be aware of that. And we'll see how price reacts. We got about 8 minutes till market opens here. No trade until then. We don't want to get caught in this this crazy scramble. A little trend line here. We could look for a breakthrough and a retest and then back down. That's an option here. We could also draw this trend line differently if we wanted to. We could draw it from down here and up through and say, hey, we're breaking down right now. Okay, so that's why trend lines, we don't necessarily trade trend lines, okay? We use them as break of trends. We use them for take profits. We use them to monitor price action. They're not, in my opinion, they're just friggin' lines on a chart, right? So it's breaking down from here, rolling over, nice rollover, coming back, wrecking some of these longs. I'm gonna get a little change in structure here or double bottom. We'll see how that goes. Anybody shorting up at the top here? There wasn't really a clear sign here. I would say, this one trend line was your sign. Not a hell of a lot in mitigating this high in here. Okay, so We'll see how it continues to play out. 7 minutes till the news. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. Jacob Dorton, username Ralph Wiggum. We shall overcome. I need a prayer. That's all I'm saying. Wick's wife, fine. 89. What's going on? How's it going there? Is it impossible to be possible to be happy today? Because we are happy. Does anybody do affirmations? Okay, I feel like I tried affirmations like 3-4 years ago, and I felt like really stupid. I am unstoppable. Is anybody affirming their life? Let me know. The otters are multiplying. Absolutely. It's the gang, man. Little fish, what's going on? Good to see you. Username, what's going on? Good to see you. Affirmations in the mirror every day. Affirmations are a woman thing? That's not right. That's not right. You need Jesus, bro. I got Jesus, man. I got Jesus. Jesus is my homeboy, okay? No lag in Europe. Your son can't even walk, bro. He doesn't know how to be proud. It just sounds like something you read out of a book. I want to win every trade, so my 6-month-old is proud. Far stretch. And I'm a dad. Okay. That makes sense. WWF, rib chat. Uh-oh. We're going rib chat, are we? Having time for your son is number one. Absolutely. Absolutely. Good morning, Billy. Auto Crypto, Gains for Life. Andrew Cameron. Unemployment data should be ugly. We'll see. It's going to be a... Look at this. This is Chop City, man. Chop City. American in the house. Let's go. Andrew Cameron. Mark out Monday open. Tony Soprano. Jonathan Schaefer. Day one people, man. French Toaster. Good to see you. What's the news we have today? So we have unemployment rate. We also have non-farm payrolls. And then we have non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, and then we have a revision on the jobs from the previous jobs data. So revision. That revision might be a gong show. So we'll watch it here as it comes in. We've got 3 minutes until it comes in. So you guys are all saying I should the mindset of winning comes from within. You've got to do it for yourself, my brother. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, been winning. Definitely been winning. I mean, full time for a 1.5 years now. So I've been winning. I've been doing great. It's just for people who aren't winning, right? It's a good discussion to say, how do you get from maybe break even or wrecked or over trading to winning, right? I think taking less trades and taking better trades is better. It's always a good start. Trading less, reflection, documenting, it's always going to help. Being patient, not rushing the journey. Like if you're trading $1,000 account, you feel like you're getting nowhere. It's not. It's got to be a long-term outlook. My wife and I were talking about that as well. It's like looking outwards into the future and having that time horizon to give yourself enough room to grow and be better. It's going to be, that's why you should only be risking 1% per trade, right? You can lose 99 trades and a trade ain't one. You know what I mean? So you gotta find what works for you. Affirmations in the mirror every day. It's very possible to be happy today. Let's go, Wick's wife. John Foster, Crypto, Gains for Life. 1.5 minutes till this news comes out. We'll see how it reacts. Daily self-affirmations during meditation. It's powerful. I love meditation. Meditation is incredible. Gratitude is a good one too. Airdropper. Being thankful. Yeah, gratitude is a superpower. Don't get it twisted. Be positive. Stay positive. The wall. What's going on? Good to see everybody. All right, let's see how this comes out. We got 45 seconds. DDT in the chat. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Deck, good morning to you. Good morning, gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Today is probably a dumper. Probably is. Probably is. Amazing people in here. Thank you guys so much. Put a 1 in the chat if we're going up. Put a 2 in the chat if we're going down. 15 seconds. 1 or 2, up or down. Let me know in the chat, up or down. 1, up, 2, down. 1, up, 2, down. Let's see it. Let's blast this chat into the spaces. We've been waiting all week for this. We got lots of ups right now. Got lots of ups. We got ups. We got ups. We got downs. We're pumping. We're pumping. We're pumping. Let's go. Let's go. Non-farm payrolls, 143. Unemployment rate, 4% coming down. Unemployment rate coming down. A big sweep of the highs here. Trying to push up. Big wreckage down, down, down. Coming back down, wrecking everybody. Going up, wrecking everybody. Big, huge, volatile, wick, scam, wickety. Wrecking everybody above here. Now coming down, 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 down. Up, down, up AF. Non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate coming in. Incredible. Incredible. Wild, wild times. Unemployment rate coming down. Non-farm payrolls. Consensus was 170. It came in at 143. It's always up. No trade. No trade. No trade. Letting it bake. Letting it bake. Whee! Let's go. And this is why you don't trade it. What the fuck just happened? Unemployment rate, man. You got to remember that the Fed's number one job is to control inflation and create jobs, okay? Inflation and jobs. Keep it very simple. For my simple mind, it's their job is inflation and jobs. Cutting rates, borrowing cheaper, right? So that they can employ more people, okay? Dixie, going up. Bitcoin coming down. Dixie going up. Bitcoin coming down. The US 100 chopping about. Same thing here. No, coming down as well. Okay, coming down as well. Bitcoin coming down. Hitting VWAP right now. Hitting VWAP. Coming down. Golden pockets next. Order block down here. Bitcoin rolling over. Yeah, this is overextended, right? Overextended. Can it reclaim VWAP here? I'm hesitant to take a trade here, my friends. I don't think we take a trade this morning on this. What do you guys think? Should we get into a trade? Long off of VWAP, reclamation of VWAP here? You know, it's enticing, isn't it? Enticing. It really makes you wanna jump in. It makes you want to jump in. You got liquidity down at this double bottom in here. I'm interested in. Nice bounce so far off VWAP. Is it doing the VWAP tees? Doing the VWAP tees. Whoppity wop wop. NASDAQ dumping. No trade. 327 people on the live. 84 likes. Guys, what's with that, man? We hit 7,000 subscribers and you just stop hitting the like button? Jeez. I thought we were friends. I had a big old confession to you guys this morning. I guess you guys didn't like that, eh? And keep it tough man trading. Okay, volatile AF right now. Let in the dust settle. Want to watch it on the 1 minute? Is that more appealing? So obviously rolling over, sweep up, sweep down. Okay, waiting for the actual move here. It always like 5 minutes after we get this news, it definitely simmers down a bit. So, and then it's like you got into a trade and then you're like, man, I shouldn't have entered that. Now it's so slow. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out with us here. We've gotten those likes up a little bit. Thank you guys so much. Looking for this thing to figure itself out. So with this data, I mean, I am no fundamental analysis. You probably want to go over to the Piper Academy after this show. I typically send you guys over there anyways. But non-farm, below an upperly revised 307K gain in December in forecast. So it's come down. Job gains occurred in healthcare, retail trade, and social assistance. So it was revised up by 49K to 200. That's a big revision from 50,000 to 260,000. From 50,000 to 300,000. That's a big miss, man. That's a big miss. Holy shit. That's a big miss. That's 250,000. How do you miss by that much? Who's counting? These guys are such... These numbers are such bullshit. I'm sorry, but... Okay, an unemployment rate. The United States edged. They're edging now, guys. Everybody, look. The United States is edging. They're edging, guys. Down. They edged down 1.1% to 4. Okay, lowest level since May. Slightly below market expectations. The number of employed people decreased by 37,000. That's pretty accurate. The labor force participation raised to 62%. Okay. Employment population ratio increased to 60%. Okay. So they're edging. They don't know how to count. Billy, we can't, please define edging for Billy. No, we're not going there. Billy has Google. Dave. Billy has Google. We're not. I remember playing Cards for Humanity with my grandmother, and she didn't know what smegma was. It was we were playing Cards for Humanity, and she had smegma and queef, and she had no idea what they were. So we made Grandma Google it. This was during like Christmas holidays. We were all playing as a family. And I'm telling you, some of the best laughs we've ever had as a family. Like Grandma's Googling what schmegma was. I was like, oh. Poor grandma. Poor grandma. But we were all like, we were playing Cards for Humanity, right? Like it's a pretty raunchy game, but it was like, it was some of our best family. Like we were all dying laughing. Like poor grandma, victim. But she wasn't having it. Um, but you got your whole family around the Christmas table, and you're playing Cards for Humanity. It's gonna get a bit raunchy. Edging, I thought it was trimming near the sidewalk. Oh shit. Oh, this is why you come to Alex O Crypto in the morning. Fucking hell. Grandma's talking about schmegma. Billy's talking about edging the garden. Oh, fuck. I'm crying. I'm laughing too hard, man. You guys are incredible. Big push here for Bitcoin. Breaking out. Trying to go. Bounce up here. Continuation. So it kind of likes this. I'm not looking to get wrecked. So reclaiming this range, continuing to push up. 786 in front of us up here. We should have got long off VWAP, friends. Why didn't we get long off VWAP? Because we're not degens, right? The bear divs in here now. We're too busy talking about schmegma and Billy's edging stories. Oh my God. I bet you Billy's grass looks mighty fine with that edging job he does. Breakout here for Bitcoin. I guess it's good news. Let's check our sorry about the flashbang coming up here. But what did it do to our forecast for our interest rate decisions? Any update here? Still 85%. No big change in here. Interesting. Bitcoin's breaking out, though. It seems to have liked this. So now we're breaking out of this downtrend. We can look for a retest back in. Hitting our 786 right now as we speak. Okay. Nice move for Bitcoin. We can look for a retest back in here if we do want it. Some strength coming in the market, so hopefully happy days ahead, but I don't think we're out of it yet. Have to go over to Piper Academy and get some more information about this unemployment job revision data. And I think Billy, you got to start a gardening channel, bro. I think that's a calling. Edging with Billy. Edging with Billy and yeah. We're not talking OnlyFans, Billy. We're just talking gardening, man. Just gardening. You guys are too funny, man. Thank you for the laughs, man. On a Friday, you guys are incredible. Okay, so we could have taken that long off VWAP golden pocket area. It just wasn't obviously volatility, right? And don't want to be caught victim. Pushing up quite nicely here. Not going to chase this price action here. Not for me. Did anybody get long? Put a 1 in the chat if you are long off of that. I think we were too busy talking about edging. Let me know if you are long. Congratulations on your gains if you got long off of that. Good work. Tim Tortelloni, The Wall. Good job. Good job, everybody. I love seeing you guys win. I do. I love seeing you guys win. You guys are great. You guys are great. Good work. Good morning, Goldie Crypto. Good to see you, John. Okay, nobody's long off of this. We're all waiting here. Nice, Grandmaster Abe. So he's trading 5 pairs, four pairs. Nice job. Hitting the 786 here. Okay, we can look for a retest. I don't want to rush this today. After yesterday, it's always good to even if we do take a loss today, it's getting back on the horse. I mean, we're like 3 for 3 the first start of the week, and then we've 2 for 2, and then we're down 2 for the rest of the week. So on the live stream, we are 2 for 4, which is not great. It's our first kind of down week in months. We've had very good months recently. The last 3 months, we've been 80% and higher for the win rate. So we keep pushing here. That's why I always tell you guys, good risk management. Live to trade another day. Really slowing down here on the volume. Take a look here. As we see here, we got that big snap, the big push, continuation here. Getting a pushback here from the NASDAQ US 100. Okay, ES. Darth Maul candle, right? S&P. We'll see how it opens up this morning. I would expect it to open up positively. Let's see if it does come up all-time highs. Let's just mark at that all-time high so that we're aware of it. Okay, rejection coming back into the highs here. We could be looking for a revisit and continuation trade here. Coming back into about 97.9. Thank you, everybody, for being on the channel, supporting the channel. 333 people in here, 120 likes. I think we can do a little bit better for a Friday, baby. We just hit 7,000 subscribers. Let's give away a membership. Why not? Why not? Let's give away a membership. Looking for this retest back in here. For my VWAP. People seem to really like this video. We'll put this video on. So just go into this video, comment something nice with 7K. We'll give away a 3-month membership here. Go to this video, comment something with 7K. 7K in the comment. We'll do a giveaway here. Alex O'Crypt, do you think we should have Dylan and David Sends It from Chart Hackers as guests on Billy Goat Tales? That's totally up for you guys. That's your guys' choice. I don't do collabs anymore. It's just I'm not a good collaborator. I don't work well with others. I'm an only child. I'll go on other people's shows if they need help or if they want me on. I'll bring the gang. I'm so busy that I don't have the capacity to really set up a. My audience wants to trade. I know my audience. They just want to press buy and sell successfully, and I think that's what I'm about to. Jonathan Schaefer, my man. God bless you, brother. So we got a whole bunch of lurkers in here. Let's say good morning to you guys. Your mom, K Diggity, happy birthday, man. Tim Young, Crypto Caveman, Doggy Dog, Remo Lurker, Black Ice Lurker, Lucky Deal, Jeet Corp, Crypto lurker. Exodus. Let's go. Long time viewer, man. Love you, bro. Joe Bell. Joel Vasquez. Kelly Lurker. I think Kelly said good morning once or twice, but I'm going to call you Lurker. You got Carlos. I think you've said hello once or twice, but you're still a lurker this morning. XRP Jesus, you're a lurker for sure. Rikoshi, No Dinero, good to see you. Captain Swag, lurker. Nick Ammon, lurker. Let's go. Jonathan Schaefer, man, blessing the channel. Happy 7K from Big Time Lurker, says Black Ice. So go over this video, comment something nice with 7K in the comment, okay? Because I got to filter it. Okay. We'll give away 3 months membership. Thank you for 7K, everybody. I'm not going to chase that price action here. I do not want to pay for your Here's our video. Filter comments by words or hashtag. It has to have 7K in the comment. All right. 15 seconds. 4 plus 7, everybody. 12. Okay, get the comments. A lot of unique comments, okay? And we're off. Bitcoin ripping to the moon. This was the most efficient I've ever been with this, by the way. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. We got a creep. I'm warning all the mods. We now have a creep joining the Discord. Congratulations, creep. 7,000 party. I don't know if that's something nice, but we'll accept it. We'll accept it. Come over to the Discord. Come and hang out. Love to have you over here. Creep, congratulations, man. 3 months membership coming your way. Just come over here. Send me a picture of your creepy YouTube thing to verify it's you. And we'll get you that 3 months membership, man. Congratulations, bro. And thank you, everybody, for the 7,000 subscribers. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Let's get back to trading. I mean, Bitcoin's ripping to the upside. Nothing we can do about it. We could chase. You guys want to chase? Put a 1 in the chat if you want to Friday chase this. Not for me. Not for me. Not going to chase today. There's I think I'm going to be extra aggressive with my rules after yesterday. Shout out to everybody on the live. Love to be the one of the first 7,000. Congratulations, creep. Tom Crown in the chat. Let's go, buddy. What's going on? Are you a long-time edger? Billy thought edging was gardening. I'm fucking dead. I can't handle it today. I can't handle it. Oh my God. Well, Alex of Crypto, I think I'm not going to go on any other show until I make a guest appearance on your show. Why? You gave me my first wrench, and I want you to grant me my first collab. Okay, Dave, you're welcome. You can come anytime, man. Anytime you want, bro. I have it set up on Streamlabs. Like, I can have a guest on. It's just a pain in the ass. But, Dave, you know I'll make an exception for you, brother. Your family, bro. I did give you your first wrench. I do seem to remember that, man. 3 years ago. Wild. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smashing up those like buttons. Big Ripper Okay, Big Ripper. We could have got long off VWAP this morning. You're not going to battle this this news data coming out, but obviously the market seems to like it. The Nasdaq's trying to push here. Okay, Bitcoin's it's a big 250,000 jobs revised. Where are they getting these numbers, man? It sounds like Canada counting right now. It sounds like Canada counting. Pretty wild, man. Chitty chitty bang bang. K Diggity, man. Happy birthday. Good morning, legend. Good morning, Jake. Good to see you. Good morning from Colorado Springs. Awesome, man. You adopting? I would love to move to Colorado. I love mountains. Matthew Sheldon, good morning. AV, good morning. Trobius, good morning. Good to see you guys. Jay Violet, One Harmony. Billy, winner, chicken dinner. Let's go. You guys are all following Tom Crown, right? I don't have to tell you guys to go follow Tom Crown. He just hit 150,000 subscribers. An amazing human, a great person. Will help you a lot on your trading journey. He's helped me as well. Retro Mike Tech, member for 13 months. My guy. RMT in the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for always being here, man. I do appreciate you. You guys are great, man. Edging is gardening. That's gonna go on our next piece of merch. I think we'll do edging is gardening on like a morning mug. Maybe edging is gardening, and then we'll have like maybe 2 legs coming up and some grass. I don't know, something like that. We can get creative with it. You're welcome, K Diggity. You're welcome. You guys are incredible. Okay, so big push up here. No trade yet. I mean, all-time high coming up to probably previous day high. Yeah, previous day high. Okay, so coming up to that. See, these are good targets when trading, so you can say like, hey, man, I'm looking for this thing to get back up into the range established from yesterday. So it's a good target to have in mind, especially if you're like swing trading or even intraday. Even intraday can work. Or you can like look. I've been using the orb a bit. So looking for us to get back into the orb of yesterday, which is just the opening range break. First 15 minutes. New strategy I'm trying to implore on my adventures of adding confluence to all my trading. This thing's ripping, man. This is up only, not something I'm gonna chase this morning, but congratulations to our friend Creep winning the membership. Come over and hang out in the Discord. Love to have you. Thank you guys for being here. We have 336 people here on the live. Absolutely incredible. We just hit 7,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for that as well. We're actually at 710 now, so keep on trudging. Keep on trudging. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every single Monday to Friday. So come by and hang out, trading this crazy-ass price action. Trying to help you get profitable, okay? Mostly looking at VWAP, volume, swing failure patterns, price action. A lot of you guys are really good in here. You guys keep me on my toes, and I appreciate that. This is a combined effort every single day. So thank you for always voicing your opinions and not being afraid to share your opinions, even when I'm wrong, you guys. Or I'm right? Sometimes the lurkers or the people who are chirping, sometimes I prove them wrong. Sometimes they prove me wrong. Part of the game, baby. Up and down, all around, as long as you're using your good risk management, managing yourself. For clarity, I don't use an edger, but my lawn care guide certainly does. Oh, yeah? So you get the lawn care guide to do it, eh, Billy? We're going too far now. Too far. I told everyone to hit that like button, didn't I? Do it now. Do it now, he says. Do it now. Thank you, Jesse, for the amazing super chat, man. €6 supporting the channel. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Airdropper bear div, 3 minutes. That would be a very sharp bear div, right? If you're looking at this. You'd like to see some settling back into this area. Look at this candle, baby. It looks enormous on the 30. 1.5% move. We got injective up 10%. Link up 5%. I mean, everything's pretty beaten up, isn't it? Okay. Is this the one that pushes us into maybe altcoin season? I wouldn't go there too soon. Dominance is dropping. Okay. Risk on a bit. How's the Russell doing? The Russell's rolling over. Okay. I'm not convinced yet. We've been faked out too many times. Okay. Nice move off of the news, though. Nice move. Nice sweep, nice bounce. Continuation here. Break out of the trend. Bottoming structure. We got the bull divs in here. Continuation out. Top down. Let's do a little bit of top down while price continues to rip to the upside. We're not chasing today. So we got a lot of liquidity above us. Okay. We got an order block that I am interested in. And we have that psychological $100,000 level. Okay. That's really our big wall that we want to see flipped. Okay. Can we flip it today? I don't know. I don't think it would be healthy for us to just go up to 100K and sit on it. I would like to see us come back down and then go. That would be great into kind of next week. Doesn't mean we're going to get it, okay? You could get an absolute ripper at market open here of everybody just FOMOing in at the top. It's not us to decide. What we do understand is that it's been painful, right? It's been painful. We want to get above into this Trump inauguration range. That would be ideal. And then we want to revisit the top of the range. But all we could ask for right now is to get back into this $100,000 level. That's kind of where I'm at right now. If we get there, great. We can look for continuation trades and for us to push up into the highs, okay? However, we do have liquidity below us, okay? We never came back down for our 618 full retracement level down in here that we were looking for quite aggressively yesterday. We never got it. Okay, the Discord did take the trade from the low here at 96.4, which is pretty incredible. Brewberry and Kyle gave that setup. So if you are new here and you do want to join the Discord, you can come over there. Nice, cheap, $1 a day Discord. The price will go up at 10,000 subscribers if we ever get there. God willing. Okay. Bottoming structure on the 4-hour. Okay, looking good. The 12-hour starting to roll up. Money's turning green again. Okay. The interesting one that we were talking about is the hidden bullish divergence on the daily. Okay, so we got that hidden bull div, and this could be quite beautiful. Okay, we can see here we got higher highs, higher lows, and lower lows. Okay, so we got hidden bull div here. Could continue to push us up. Let's not get that hopium, please. Let's be level-headed. I've seen the sentiment on Twitter, on my Discord, on other people's Discord. It's like everybody was like doomsday yesterday. And I get it, virtual's down to $1, right? Like just absolutely shit in the bed, right? But it's not time yet. It's not time yet. Okay? There is some hopium in here. I like the 2-day as well. The 2-day, we got that bull div as well. And look at the money flow on the 2-day. Like, you can't deny that money flow is beautiful. Okay? This is just consolidating within a range. That's all it's doing. We're in the middle of the range. Fixed range volume profile, right? We're trying to get above here. right? Trying to get to this volume node here at around 102. That would be our target, right? Got to keep it simple. The weekly, if we close above 97, bullish in my opinion. Okay, we want to see a positive candle close here. If we push up any higher, that's bonus in my opinion. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so long-term time frames, there's some hopium. Money coming back in on the 12-hour hopium. 4-3-2-1 for today. We're looking for a push back up. We're getting it. 3, pushing back up, money curving up. 2, money curving actually really nicely up to the 0 line. This is actually really nice. Okay. And like we said on the 2-hour, got that bull div in here, right? So that's nice. Really launching us out of here. But a lot of pain. So what I would like to see is a retest and a continuation back into this $98,000 range, right into here, revisiting maybe these highs. Do we get it? We'll see. This would make everybody cry. I'm just saying. Everybody would cry. I would probably cry with you guys, okay? So we'll see what happens. I'm leaning a little bit more positively after this happening. But anything can change. Okay, coming up, mitigate this high right now. A little bit of struggle in here. And then we're looking for a revisit back into these highs here for retest and continuation. Very simple. We got our range. We're ready to go. Okay? Billy with the super chat. Love you, bro. Glad I could hang out this morning. God bless you, Billy. Guys, if you're not following Billy Goat Tales, Tuesday, 9 o'clock, and they also have a YouTube channel now. Maybe Dave Digital can share it in the chat over there. But make sure you go subscribe to them. Billy, Dave, Redman, all of them over there. Great people. Great people. I appreciate all of you guys, and I love you guys. Okay, we're continuing to rip, man. This is pretty cool. Bitcoin bullish. Coming up to our previous day high. The hopium is real. Bitcoin to the moon. A bunch of y'all in the long. Did anybody of you enter into this? Did any of you long? You guys chase? Ape, the best advice is to try it for 30 days. And if you don't like it, just cancel. Yeah. Yeah, it's a great... I mean, $1 a day keeps the doctor away. I also live in Scotland. We post trades whenever the trades are there, right? So for me, like this would have been late last night. We post trades in the morning. We have live streams. We have a great community. This was all free for 2.5 years. You get my TA, you get my updates as soon as I get up. Kyle's macro analysis, Kyle's trade setups, Brewberry's analysis, Brewberry's trade setups, Thesis's ideas, his scalps, his swings, and these come at all different times. Bitcoin's flying right now. You guys are getting long on this, aren't you? Bitcoin is putting in the God candle. Maybe it's time. Maybe it's time. Who knows? Virtual is one that must not be named. Yeah. Holy shiitake mushrooms, man. You guys got long. Why doesn't Alex hand out cookies? I eat them all myself, man. Long here? No. Don't do it. Ape, I promise you it's worth it. I did it a lot. I did it a lot. $99 groups too. So tamale vouchers. There's lots of vouchers for the group. I mean, you get. I think because we're a smaller group, you do get a lot of like attention as much as I can. I mean, and a great group of people, right? Really want to see you win. Crypto trader. I swang long with Kyle last night. I saw the same setup as him and I took it. See? There you go. Crypto trader. What's going on, man? Just cancel. What are you talking about? Tim Tortelloni. Mucking long on XRP. I also teach in like a bunch of other Discords. So whenever I do TA there, I always give you like altcoin ideas as well of things I'm always looking for. These aren't the setups, but these are ideas. So let's take a look. Let's look at Arrow. Let's see if it played. I'm not chasing this price action, guys. So far, so good. Jeez, Bitcoin, baby. I can't chase this, guys. I can't bring myself to chase this, especially after yesterday. It's not for me. Thank you, everybody, for being here. A great pump this morning. We got 334 people here, 166 likes. If you wouldn't mind smacking up that like button, I really appreciate it. Hopefully helping you guys navigate these charts. Still waiting for US Open. Yeah. Don't do it. If you were a good trader, you would have long this. So not sure about joining group. Oh, we said you could have taken the long here. And that's not true either. Thank you for being here, Crypto Creek. I think you've not had nothing nice to say in a long time, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. Jobs report today. Yeah, it came out. They revised a lot of stuff, Tom. And, geez. We got to pump because of it. Jonathan Schaefer with another 5 gifted memberships. Tim Tortelloni, sometimes you're too nice. I mean, I'll time him out. I mean, he's here watching, right? So, I mean, what am I supposed to say? You're watching me, bro. Right? Go and watch someone else if that's what you think. VW John, Christos, Gasteld, Kush is my cologne, FS. Welcome to the Otter Gang, gang, gang. Bro must be salty as fuck. Continuation. So we've taken these highs. We'll see if we do have any sort of reset back in here, but a ripper to the upside, baby. Bullish news coming in. Revisions coming in. So clearly the market likes it. Usually lonely people. Yeah, probably. What news came out today? So we had our jobs data come out, unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls. They revised a lot of it. Big revisions coming in here by like 200 from 50,000 to 300,000, from 50,000 to 260,000. Like, I guess they don't know how to count. So really odd And then unemployment rate down to 4%. Continuing to push here. Crypto Creek liquidated himself. Oh, man. Bro got offended. Good morning. I want to short this mother. Yeah, I agree. Continuing to climb, man. Continuing to climb. Cleaning up liquidity. It's funny to watch you like a comedy show. It's awesome. I don't know if you're being smart or not. Bitcoin ripping, baby. 315 people in here. Thank you guys so much for being here. 171 likes. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging out. We just hit 7,000 subscribers. Good time here. Big ripper to the upside here. Bitcoin does not want to stop. And a little bit overextended here on our 24. 3 white soldiers. Continuation here. I didn't think I was going to have to pull this fib today, but I'm going to. I didn't think I was going to have to, but we're here. Here we go. Order block, golden pocket. First rejection zone. See how we do. We'll see how we do. Bitcoin does not want to stop. It's going to the moon, baby. Awesome pump. I'm sure you guys are a little bit more happy about your altcoin bags, even though they're beaten up. A little bit of hopium today, so hopefully that makes you a little bit more happy because the sentiment was disgusting. How high can we go? Right? How high can we go? We'll have to see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. If you did take the long, put a 1 in the chat. We'd love to know. Did you take the long? How was your week? Wrecked? Yeah, it was a tough week, everybody. So, I'm pretty much break even for the week, but I took a really bad loss yesterday. So, 100x long. Let's go. My R keeps getting smaller. Let's go. Exo says clear setup. Beautiful. 1, 1, 1. Let's go. Let's go. What was the clear setup, Exo? Did you get long off VWAP or the golden pocket? On XRP. Continuation, let's go. Beatles. Taking trades is not easy task. We cannot take proper trades offline even. That's it. It's always Yesterday I got wrecked with my long position on CRV. My stop loss got activated and I lost $800. What pisses me off is that it started pumping 2 hours after it stopped me. I need to make it up. So I need to make it up. It's a bad way to look at it, but and it's good that you did get stopped out. Maybe it's evaluating your entry, going off confirmation. Right? There could be a lot in there that was your stop hit just barely. Did you not give it enough room? Right? Sounds like an entry problem. What's going on in my hero? That pump ruined my edging streak. Let's go. Yes, long on BTC, link and near. Let's go. Continuation. Yeah, I'm long in XRP from 226 up pretty good right now. Let's go. Up, up, up. Good morning, Paul Caruso, King Beaver, Lord Otter, and the gang. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting that channel. We're hitting that golden pocket as we speak. We got 10 minutes till market open. 10 minutes. NASDAQ likes this. Hitting that old order block golden pocket area. So we'll see how it does. Maybe we come back and retest 99 here. Don't want to get caught with my pants down, though, trying to chase this long. Okay. I think the chase should have been done here. If we were going to take it, it should have been right here. In reflection, that would have been the spot. The retest of previous highs, continuation out. Nice move. Stalling out up here. We'll see where it gets to. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We got 330 people here, man. That's pretty awesome. Trying to push. Let's go, Bitcoin. Everybody's here getting paid, baby. Good job. Lunar Beaches, crypto in the chat. Congratulations, Lunar Beaches Crypto. I believe that his wife is pregnant. So congratulations, man, on your new child coming into the world, man. Let's see some LBCs in the chat. This guy is a great human and a great father, man. LBC in the chat. God bless you, bro. From VWAP, yeah. Yeah, that was money coming in right here. Okay. I see you, XO. Nice trade, brother. Nice trade, man. LBC in the place to be. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Just chilling out right now. I'm not going to chase this thing. We just hit 7,000 subscribers. Congratulations to the giveaway winner chicken dinner. We got Creep in here. We're going to make Creep part of the gang here. 3 months membership. Welcome to the Otter gang. You're part of the family now, Creep. Better behave yourself. Congratulations on winning, Creep. Much love, man. Much love. Thank you for being part of the channel. You got access now. And I will put in my calendar 3 months from now. Hopefully we can help you make lots of money. That's what it's all about. What's the date today? Today's the 7th, right? You mean I got to put up with you till May 7th? Holy smokes, man. I'm happy to have you, man. I'm adding you in now. So you're good to go? Welcome to the gang, man. Little rejection here. We got 7 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live with me, hanging out. We'll see how this is up only. So whenever price is kind of running away, order blocks can be useful. For retest previous highs, useful. Okay. Coming back in here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Bitcoin getting a little ripper to the upside. I mean, nothing. 2% move. I mean, it's a regular day in Bitcoin. A lot of you guys getting long off that VWAP bounce. Good job. Is there any short opportunity coming soon? We're hitting golden pocket right now. Need to see a change in structure, right? I would need to see some sort of structure change before I'm looking for a possible short. It's very bullish reaction this morning, so no need to rush it, especially going into open. I'm going to get some more coffee, as I typically do. I got the pot on. Get some more coffee, play you guys a song. I'll be right back. Bitcoin ripping. Let's go, let's go.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Bitcoin, baby. All right. Little rejection. We got a 3 minutes now. Okay. Okay. Morning lurking, per usual. Let's go, Sean. What's going on, man? I love this, YouTubers. Good to see a crypto trader. Thank you for being here. The best part is when you go for coffee. Like clockwork, man. Good morning, VW, John, Daniel. Good morning to you guys. Should play my song. Oh, he's gone. Bitcoin's gonna rip now. George is day driving. Okay. Dusty Hunt, good morning to you guys. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Howdy, AD, good to see you. Soprano, what's going on, man? We do have a Discord live later on today. Looking forward to hanging out with you guys. Big ripper to the upside here. We're going to see how the S&P opens up. We can see the Nasdaq's reacting pretty positively to this. We want to see the dollar die. 107. Our level to kind of get to. Trying to get down here. Bitcoin, Nice ripper to the upside here. A nice positive day for the crypto world. Fair value gap retest in here. Order block in here. Okay, so generally looking in this area for a retest. Okay, fair value gap, previous high, order block here. Continuation trade. Unless we see a very big rejection here. Okay, you'd also look for the bearish divergence in here for a potential short. I'm leaning less that way, but still an opportunity. We'll see. If we're going to come down, we could. So let's be prepared. Prepared trader is a profitable trader. Okay. 320 people on the live stream. 187 likes. We can get 13 more. I'll shut up. Okay. If you guys don't mind smashing up that like button, subscribing if you are new. We hit 7,000 subscribers today. God bless you guys. And thank you so much for your support. Always a good time here. And I appreciate you guys helping me help you as per usual. As per usual. Do we get an increase in fear and greed or what? I'm curious right now. Let me take a check here. Fear and greed is at fearful, baby. That's good news because it can only go generally up. The dad joke was weak there. I boiled a funny bone last night. It had a laughing stock. That's terrible again. The bot in the Discord really misses on the dad jokes. Quite hard. Quite hard. Coming down here. Markets open. S&P flat. No gap, really. Flat. Trying to push here. NASDAQ trying to push. Coming down. Just chilling right now. Little rejection. Nothing significant here. Market seems to like the data that's come out here. So we'll see how it does react here on market open. I would expect a little pullback, but nothing too significant. Okay. Rolling back down here. Looking for a bounce in here around 98.8. We'll see if we do get the reaction we are looking for. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Nice little bounce here. Is that sufficient? I don't think that's sufficient. Jeez. Getting bought up here. 330 people in here. Thank you guys for being here. Monday to Friday, baby. 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We'll see how this continues to go here. Shout out to those who took the long off the VWAP. Great job, everybody. I love seeing you guys win. Crypto Caveman, Army Piper, what's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. Army, what's the jobs data? What do you think, man? Did you see that 250,000 difference in numbers? How the hell do you miss that? What do you think, Army? Let us know. What's going on, brother? Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. Let's go. Drop your dad jokes in the chat. I'm curious. How many people here are parents, okay? Let's see. Bitcoin continuing to push here. No trade. Why can't R.S. Miller chat? R.S. Miller is an absolute legend. Why do the pilgrim's pants always fall down? Uh-oh. Please keep your charting in English. Chatting in English, yes. That would be preferred. Want kids or have kids? Have kids. Have kids. It was a decent report. I mean, a lot of job revisions. So, like, I think it's a big play. It's a big play. Hold my beer. Don't have them, but my wife is pregnant. Congratulations, Joe. Congratulations. God bless you and your family, man. That's awesome, bro. Legally, no. Not that you know about. Thank you for being here real big. I'd love to see a flash down to 94. We're getting rejection off that quick golden pocket that we did pull here. Coming back in here, fair value gap retest, previous highs. I wouldn't be surprised if it does want to come back down. 98.7. Okay, revisiting that high. No trade. Still waiting. On the 1 minute now. Order block in here. Previous high here. Want to see a reaction in here that I like. Otherwise, no trade. Or the SFP up at the highs, right? The SFP up in here. Then we short that thing. Golden pocket, rejection, order block. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for being here. 350 people here, 202 likes. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, smashing up that like button, hanging out here. We just hit 7K subscribers today, so very grateful for you guys and supporting this channel. Been a wild one. 3 years in the making. A little trigger wave in here on the 1 minute. 12 minute here in 1 sec. Just want to see where we're at. Overextended. Yeah. Not looking too hot here on the 12. Probably coming down a little bit. Can stay indifferent. Obviously can stay indifferent. I'd like to know if we get in a bear div in here on a higher term time frame, maybe a 3 hour or something. No. Okay, that's good. Enough volume down here. One hour ripping, baby. Look at that. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. You would have caught this move if you're in the Discord. That's all I got to say. $1 a day. You can't make $1 from that? I don't know. If you can't make $30 from a long from down here to here, 3.5%. What do I say? I say probably best to go back and push carts at Walmart. But that's kind of mean, so I won't say that anymore. Maybe I will. Happy Friday, Alex, and congratulations, Otter Gang. Thank you so much, B Team Crypto. Retest and short. Can I just say how happy I am that Sol is over 200? Yeah. I don't trade on the news. Yeah, I stayed out of it too. I love the 1 hour, my favorite time frame. Yeah, the 1 hour is great, man. So if stalling out here, to me this smells like a dump. It smells like a dump, right? It's fool me once, fool me twice, right? I mean, right? But no trade here. Just waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 360. We got 360 people here. I'd do a spin in my chair, but I don't think there's enough room. Continuation here. I'll short if we get a nice bear diff. To me, this smells like trapping longs. That's what I would suggest. But obviously, off the news, it's like we'll let the market kind of decide. NASDAQ, US 100 ripping, S&P ripping. Okay. The Dixie, we need dipping. Bitcoin obviously getting the push up this morning. People seem to have liked the news. They don't want to make it easy for us. That's for damn sure. We know that. We know that. They've been chopping us up all week. We've survived this week, but barely. So it's been a doozy. Okay. 941. Thank you for being here, everybody. So no kids and kids. Okay, it's pretty even keel here, guys. Why aren't you having babies? Let's go. We need all you smart, beautiful, computer clicking people here to have kids. Go and have kids, please. Made my son buy Bitcoin. Awesome. Yeah, I made sure my son is a whole coiner. That's for damn sure. He has his own cold storage and everything, man. And he's doing it right. He's doing it right. Nice push here. That's an interesting poll, eh? Can't afford kids. That's intentional, man. We won't go down that, but that's intentional. I named my son Blockchain. Let's go. I mean, it's your son. You name him whatever you want. He might resent you in the future. But hey ho. Okay, here's that push. Coming into the highs here. Looking for the SFP here. Volume coming in, sweep up, dip down, okay? Half a position size if we take this trade, just trying to fade it. If we fade it back down into here, that's fine. If we get it. If this and that, right? Natural bearish divergence here, right? Creeping down slowly. I always talk about speed. Divergence is all about speed. up quick, down quick, chop slow, right? You get a big wave and then a little wave, right? Which creates divergences. Okay? You don't necessarily need an oscillator to see a divergence, right? That's all it is the oscillator will make a long movement here, and then price will move up quickly, creating a smaller bump in here, right? Because the oscillator can't catch up to the quick move. Whoop, and that will divert, right? Because this is taking a long time, and this is a short time. Where in price action, even though it's taking a long time, it's still making a higher high, which diverts the price action, which is typically a pretty sweet setup up or down, right? Up or down. You chop slowly down, right? You recover, then you pop back fast, right? So you'll get a big wave and a small wave, but price will do this and then that. So you'll get that divergence, right? Same deal. I mean, this could just flag out. This could flag out and then break out. I'm not saying it won't. That's why we use good risk management. 9:45. Okay, first 15 minutes establishing itself. NASDAQ kind of flagging out too. S&P ripping. Nice move for the S&P. Liquidity just keeps getting deeper, baby. What are you guys thinking? Short it? Long it? One or two? Long or short? BlackRock algorithm is the GOAT? Always, yeah. Here's that SFP we're looking for. Stalling out. Stalling out. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. No volume in that candle, really. Still got strength here. Continuation here. Still waiting. We are in SFP zone. Yeah, we'll see. It's too choppy right here. No. We had the SFP here. Stalling out. Little volume in this candle. Golden pocket, order block above us. So this still can come up, right, into here. Just waiting. Short, long, short, long. No bearish structure yet. Agreed. People are getting timed out, man. You guys are asking for it. The mods are vicious here, man. Ain't nobody got time for your bullshit. Tony Soprano and Jonathan Schaefer kicking ass, taking names, man. Let's go. It's not the actual anonymous Jonathan Schaefer. It's the new one. It's not the old one. We used to trade with a guy named Anonymous 3 years ago, and he just disappeared. I think he pops into Lunar Beach's cryptos Discord every now and then. Not that often, though. Trading is waiting. That is the slogan, isn't it, French Toaster? Did you know that the toaster was the first pop-up notifications ever known to man? No problem. Everything just went quiet. Mark's not going to be happy. What are you guys doing to Mark now? Flagging out continuation here. No trade. No trade. Slow grinding 949, baby. Slow grinding. Slow grinding. That's all right. We'll see how it materializes here. Might stay a little bit later, waiting for some decent price action here. I mean, we've had that ripper to the upside. We could have chased price. We didn't chase price. Now it's continuing to push here. We're in our standard deviations up at the highs here. So this is a typical shorting area. Obviously, with this momentum to the upside, don't want to just try to fade this just yet. Yeah, the NASDAQ continues to rip. S&P continues to rip. Okay, we've hit our 6.5 now. Dixie's dropping. Market's looking nice and green, baby. Look at that. All across the board. Even TrashSpa. TrashSpa's up today. 13%. Put a 1 in the chat if you do hold Caspa. I think I bought at 8 cents and sold at 18 cents, and that was the end of it, right when it got there. Traspa. You guys all holding Traspa? Tim Tortelloni. Al Jr., have I become invisible to Alex? Al Jr., what's going on, brother? Good to see you, brother. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Claspa. Here we go. Board PC guy. Shark Vin, good to see you as well. Smash those likes, everyone. Says Crypto No Tick. Crypto No Tick. Bit painful here this morning. Nice push off the news. Order blocks below us here. Got a beg for some volatility or what? What's going on? What's with this Friday price action? We get the news on the jobs and then all of a sudden price is just bored? Doesn't know what to do, right? Alex, if you took me up on my offer, I would have told you to chase only $400 and an earbud. Oh, man. No way. No way, bro. Thank you. Thank you, Tamale, man. Dave Digital, what's going on, bro? Schaefer Chupo. You guys are up to no good, man. Can I short it, Alex? Not yet. Not yet, man. Not yet. Scott, good morning to you. Good to see you. Yeah, this alt is up. Yeah, it's all curb stomped. Yeah, exactly. Bought Cass at 2 cents. Nice job. Nice job, man. Beautiful flip. RSI looks dumpy. Yeah. Hitting that golden pocket order block, right? Zooming out, right? Always zoom out. Clearly overextended here. Parabolic even, right? Mitigation of this high, mitigation of this high. Coming up into this general area. Order block in here. Golden pocket currently tapping, right? 786 above us. So generally, okay, looking for a revisit of the range before continuing. Okay, we'll see if we get it. 15-minute, way overextended. Bearish divergence here. On the short-term time frames. Remember, bull run, bearish divergence are a bit iffy, okay? Always remember that. They work, but I would go off market structure confirmation always. Breaking down now. Still waiting. $370 people here. Thank you guys. We just hit 7,000 subscribers, man. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, hanging out here. We're here live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. So happy you guys joined here, hanging out with us. If you wanted this long, I mean, 2 guys in our Discord gave this long yesterday. Not even me. I was too busy degenning. Okay. But Brewberry, Kyle gave you guys the setups. Bitcoin target hit. Just posted now. Fire. Winner, chicken dinner. From the long from yesterday. Target hit. Kyle handing out the absolute fire from yesterday. Beautiful trade, Kyle. Thank you. And then Brewberry. He won't be able to stream this morning, but guess what? He gave you guys the long as well. Okay? Amazing. Here it is. There's that long. There's that long. There's the long. Looks better. Going to attempt a long here. Please understand this is a higher risk setup, but I'm only, right? There's your Discord membership. $1 a day, baby. Beautiful. Breaking down here. Break it down now. Very, very slow price action this morning. After that awesome pump. I look for a minimum of a revisit back down to 98.7. Not for me. Trading is waiting. Have you looked at ETH this morning? No. Is it flying? Is it above 2,800 yet? We were looking for the ETH long down here. Yeah, not bad. Alexandra G, $20 super chat. Let's see some Alexandra G emojis in the chat. Thank you so much. What an amazing name. What an amazing human. Alexander G. God bless you. Hopefully you have a safe drive to work. Thank you for supporting the channel, being part of the gang. We love you. Congratulations on 7K subs, says Alexander G. Thank you so much. How low do you expect it to come? So revisit of highs. So we look 98,000. Okay. We look 98,000. But first, can it hold this general area in here? If we come down here. Okay, that's a big if. Right now we have bullish structure to the upside. If we crack this low, okay, if we come down here and we crack this low, we can look for the retest and short from here. And we got bear div in here. Typically would come back to where it started, which would be somewhere in here, right? Order block, fair value gap in here, right? It's not something I'm looking for right now, though. This is indecisive. We see a big retracement coming back down in here for our US 100. Bitcoin holding up pretty good here. So I'm not necessarily looking to fade this until I see a structure break in here. Maybe we get that in half an hour or something like that, where we come down here and then possible retest. Take care, R.S. Miller. Tim Tortelloni. Alex, are you looking for the short? What are you waiting for? Thanks. Yeah, so right now it's a matter of if this, then that, right? Could a golden pocket rejection here. Looking for this to roll over, break the structure down below here. Okay, looking for this thing to come down in here, retest, and then continue. Okay. Right now, this seemed very trappy, right? We were saying this looks like they're trapping longs. However, we got very bullish news and a bullish push this morning. So a little bit of whipsaw price action. Okay, so want to participate safely in this market. We can look for a revisit down into VWAP, even around 98,000 as it continues to creep up here. Okay, but for now, it's no trade. It's no trade. Want to see market change, and want to be safe. Want to be safe. Nice little push down here. But to me, this is flagging out. Probably looking to continue. Don't want to get in the way today. Another day, baby. Another day. You can tell you are being very cautious after losing so much yesterday. I would be too, yeah. No, it's you want to get back on the bike, but you want to take A+ setups, right? We could have taken the short there, would have been great. That's fine. I'd rather miss the trade, get back on the bike, and it's Friday. Don't want to over trade either, right? I'll probably trade later on. I'll be watching price action. Maybe we take some trades with the Discord later on today. Didn't want to chase the news. Good discipline there. Bearish divergence pushing down here, coming into the order block now. Okay, so coming back and wrecking the longs is what it's doing. So be safe out there. I'll see the Discord later on today. An amazing week nonetheless. A lot of lessons learned, a lot of things to grow from. Hitting 7,000. You guys are stars, man. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out. I do appreciate you guys so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys on Monday. God bless. Take care. Have a great weekend.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips